So, this episode, we're going to try and get to Nether. I just gave Violet 7 more obsidian because she refused to mine 14 obsidian. And then, I got some a feather and more chicken. Okay, and can I place him?
No.
What are you building, a house?
No. I can't fly.
Did you mine those?
Yeah. Okay, I finally can fly.
You can fly?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I can't fly.
I'm in creative, Dad. Violet, you still have your flint steel?
Yeah.
Holy moly! What does that do? I didn't go anywhere.
You should have.
Oh, you're supposed to stay in there?
Yeah.
I just walked through it.
Yeah, if you go to quit, it doesn't work.
What is this? Oh. I feel like I'm in the 70s again.
Violet, here's some netherrack for you.
Oh, I've exited. Oh no. Building terrain. We're underground.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dad, get some netherrack.
Some what?
Get some netherrack.
I don't know what it
Violet,
is.
nether quartz. It's for red stuff all around you.
What do you need it for?
It keeps fire alive, you could say.
Okay. I've got no space. Do I need a Nautilus shell? I'm just trying to throw away.
Yeah. Dad,
Do I
you
need
can
any-
go back and put some stuff in your shulker box.
Oh, a backpack? Can I put stuff in a backpack?
Yeah.
Okay, how do I do that though?
I am going out.
Out where? Oh, out there.
Do I have to put the backpack on the ground?
Yes, to make it work. Yes, you
Oh,
do.
a zombie pigman. Dad, don't kill a zombie pigman.
Where are you? Are you back in the real world?
No. I found a cave going upwards.
Can someone pause the video for 1 minute?
Stuff.
Oh, right. So you can only get it all out at once.
Huh?
Don't worry. Do I just pick up the backpack again?
Yeah, but you gotta use a pickaxe.
And then all the stuff still in it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, Violet has
This cave leads to nowhere. I'm gonna start mining.
where?
I got nether quartz.
Oh, yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Do I need it or should I leave it?
Well, they're nice, so you might want to keep it. Well, are you in the area where there's lava and stuff, or where are you?
No.
The quartz is up here, guys.
Yeah, out here.
So what are we looking for in here? Oh, there's another portal.
Well, we're looking. know we're looking for soul sand.
I finally found the outside world.
Can I TP to you? Dad, you stay in that area so that we have a place to report.
I only have 2 more pieces.
Right here.
I'm making a tunnel.
We're looking for soul sand.
We're on the
Yeah, I found a ghast. Violet, we're getting the stuff to make the liver too, you know. So I found some soul sand. Yes, Violet? No. Okay, Violet, can you get this? Can one time I teleport you to me so that you can get the soul sand?
Oh, guys, I'll
Yeah.
turn the sound off on the TV.
Okay.
I'll turn the sound off.
Yeah.
You got that, Rosie?
I don't think so.
No, different kind. Oh, that's just people for Stella's house.
Okay. Violet.
like
Um.
a lot of zombie pigmen
Remember, don't kill any.
or hurt any.
Yeah.
I found something.
Yep. That's always good.
I haven't found any lava yet.
Really? I've seen it.
Dang it. I've fallen and I can't get back up. Oh, found lava. A giant lava pit.
Yep. Can you try and get some, what's it called? Oh, yeah. Can you find me some soul sand? You're trying to get a ghast again.
Yeah. It makes cute. Oh, I've got like a stack of netherrack.
Am I still supposed to be waiting here?
Yes. Like, go back to the real world if you want.
Can I help you guys?
No, because then we won't know how to get back.
Oh, okay.
Unless one of yous die. Which, let me check. Keep inventory is on. Okay, well, we'll have to end the video because it's about 10 minutes now. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Violet, you saying bye?